front of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on display. Following that, click on brightness level and tap on this switcher next to automatic brightness. As you can see, auto brightness is now on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into tab menu as well and tap on this auto brightness shortcut. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. In order to turn it off, click on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!